Fractures with medial combination, unstable 3 or 4 part fractures require surgical intervention are more challenging to manage. Here is a case of 58-year-old male right hand dominant, had a history of fall from bike, sustained blunt trauma to the left shoulder. X-ray showed left shoulder suggested of fracture dislocation with 3-part proximal humerus fracture. The X-ray shows the fracture extending to the medial calcar. We order for a 3D CT showing the fracture extension to the medial calcar with the posterior dislocation of the head and GT avulsion. This is the immediate post-op X-ray showing anatomical reduction of the calcar with phyllos with plate augmented with intramedullary fibular stud graft. Radiological outcome was assessed by neck shaft angle and loss of humeral head height at the end of 1 year follow-up. This is a functional recovery and range of motion after 2 years follow-up showing forward, flexion, abduction and rotations. Hypothesis is to study the functional and radiological outcome of 3 or 4 part comminuted proximal humerus fractures managed by open reduction and internal fixation with locking phyllos plate augmented with intramedullary non-vascularized fibula stud graft. Study design was a retrospective study and 18 patients were taken, 9 male and 9 females, age above 40 years. All fractures were 3 or 4 comminuted proximal humeral fractures. Minimal follow-up was 1 year. Inclusion criteria included age group 40 to 70 years. 3 or 4 part proximal humeral fractures were the part of the study with medial metaphyseal comminution. Minimum follow-up was for 1 year. Various classification has been used for classifying proximal humerus fracture in a study. Neer, Resch and AO were the ones. This is a table showing frequency of varus collapse and medial metaphyseal comminution. There was no varus collapse and medial metaphyseal comminution was present in frequency of 18. The two humeral height and neck shaft angle were the main classified for the prognosis of the study. Functional outcome was evaluated by ASES score and UCLS score at the end of 1 year. Range of motion were mean were forward flexion of 123.89, extension 35.28, rotations, interrotation 66.94, external rotation 57.78, abduction of 115 degree at the end of 1 year. Surgical technique used were deltopectoral approach. Calculated segment of the fibula stud graft was harvested from either ipsilateral or contralateral side. Graft was contoured and telescoped into the femoral shaft using oscillating saw. After achieving appropriate reduction, the graft was pushed proximally into the head using K-wire or towel clips. Phyllos plate is placed proximally 5 mm lateral to the bicipital groove and the construct was stabilized with minimum 4 locking screws in the head. Bicortical humeral shaft screws were used distally. The tuberosities were sutured with plate with ethibond. Complication: there was 1 screw perforation seen in 1 patient. Infection was present in 1 patient, which was later managed by implant removal. None of the patients showed varus collapse. None of the patients showed avascular necrosis. No complications related to the donor area. Conclusion: in unstable proximal humeral fracture with medial comminution, fibular autograft is a useful adjunct to restore the integrity of the medial column and support the medial comminution. Good clinical and radiological outcome can be achieved with this, especially treating in 3 or 4 part proximal humeral fractures. Average union time was 8 months and the union was achieved in all cases. Thank you.